Hello student, I am Mohar Roy, the lecturer of Architecture Department, Sri Ram Krishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today my topic is Villa Savoye Posse, which is the example of international style. Architect was the Le Corbusier and subject is Contemporary of Architecture Module 4. Now my slide is show the elevation of Villa Savoye Posse, the pictorial view, and the architect Le Corbusier, built in 1929, location Poissy, Paris, France. The total exterior and interior sum of the view I will show. At first, discuss the introduction. What is Poissy? Poissy is just under and the hour of drive from the Paris, and it is a typical of the suburb of the capital, which is long street and single family garden homes. Villa Savoye occupies this side, standing closer to the nature, then to the street and releasing the large green space around it. Construction of this facility for the city after the war has weakened significantly the area of private housing. The main part of this house, living room, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. It is located at the first floor, while the ground floor is occupied by the hall and offices for the service. With the garage, it is capable for the storing 3 automobiles of the time. Sometimes that was the milestone in this history of architecture and the great step toward that time. The roof is flat, on it there is a small garden. In this project, the Corbusier show how to develop a module structure or the unified building and the pilotis which is floated from the ground. We will show the slide. The stair block is cylindrical and are some boxes which is called the massing, entire massing, and we will show the glass opening 3 sides of this building. Also, it has a long terrace garden at the roof and the side garden and semi the green. Might be Corbusier show this time when after the Second World War the housing is so weak and housing industry is so weak, and so it is a great achievement for that time to use this private dwelling is a large green space or large greeny lobby and on the roof, flat roof and the small garden. According to the site, we'll see the ground floor plan where the largely determined by the movement of car entering in the building. This movement is also determined the structure, and structure is based on the orthogonal grid of the concrete pillar separated 4.75 meter from center to center of each other. The form of the square grid, the entire square grid 23.5 meter on the side, on top of which sits like a villa. The house was inhabited by the owner for the short period of time. The building was completed in 1929, but after the German invasion of the France in 1940 was abandoned and bombed and burned during the Second World War. In 1963, again the Villa Savoye was declared as the architectural heritage building in the French government, which then proceeded to restore because it was in the state of neglect and ruin after the attack of the war. Now I will discuss the entire concept of this building. The Villa Savoye was designed by Corbusier as the paradigm of the machine as a home, so that the function of everyday life inside become the critical, so its design. After the design of Chicago School and Bauhaus, and every architect returned from the concept of the skyscraper building or the modular structure look like modular structure, so that Corbusier first time used this parallelogram building and their concept is totally different from the Chicago School or the Bauhaus School. The movement of car to enter the interior of the house, a concept of emphasize the Le Corbusier for the year. It is the trigger and design of the building. This concept also include the fact that housing is designed as the object that has already landed on the landscape, is totally autonomous and it can be placed anywhere of the world. Architecture followed by the style of the airplanes, cars and the ship, which is the declared aim of achieving the mass production of housing. Pillars supporting the ground floor also advanced this idea and independence the villa from his garden, and it was recognized as one of the key point of this first generation international architect. Here in the interior of the view, we see how to stair going from the ground floor to the upper floor. It is the open terrace and stair will be connected the two floor like a open space, and the indoor plant is used and total entire the white color of facade inside and outside to visible the entire of the site. Now my last slide is show the distribution of the space. A part of this will try to show the sections of the part of the building. There is, we see the ground floor might be used the floating column and ground will be free from the entire structure. Then the cubical box of the massing, and upper floor some uses the cylinder or cube. And the right side view show the top of the view with the landscape. Here is the back sides of the lawn and front of the entire building. Distribution means the ground floor has to curve and it is influenced by the emphasize the movement of the car. On other side, occupying about the quarter of the floor, it is a garage which is capacity for 3 cars. The front of the house near the garage entrances is the front door, in front of which there is a hall, and here is a 2 main element, a ramp and that return from the button of the entire building that constitute its backbone, prolonging this movement from the outside inward, and the spiral staircases. Everything inside the hall is painted white, and earlier I will mention it. It is representing the interest of the Corbusierian architecture, health and hygiene in the era, and the city suffered the consequence of the overcrowding in the form of epidemics, and the reflect of important discovery of the microbial life and everywhere, including inside the home. From this point of view, we also reflected the provisions of the toilet and the sink inside the villa. Apparently well above the needs, we talking advantage of the running water on which they continued. Further away from the entrance are there the 3 guest room and the one is a service area. At last we discuss about the material which is used for this modern architectural building. The material used in Villa Savoye Pozzi is the porous material, such as the material which is during this time is building houses for the lower classes Parisians. Also the houses is designed for effluent plaster wall and iron handrail are used. Thank you.